Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the way on how to convert your US dollars into USDC stablecoin through the Coinbase app. So we're going to launch Coinbase, and from the homepage of the Coinbase app, if we scroll down here, we'll find our cash balance. So I currently have $50 sitting in cash. I want to convert this to USDC stablecoin, so I'm going to click on my cash. And that'll bring us over to our cash balance page. And I can see that I have 50 United States dollars and I don't have any USDC. So to make this conversion, I'm going to click on where it says USDC. And at the bottom of the USDC page, we're going to click on where it says buy. And we're going to be using the cash that is already in our account. So we're going to click on where it says buy crypto with cash. So we're going to click that. And very important, if you're going to be converting the cash that is sitting in your Coinbase account, make sure that it's not selected on your other funding methods, such as a bank account, debit card, PayPal. You want to make sure that this is selected on the cash that is in your Coinbase account. So clicking on this to change it from my bank account, and the funding method I'm going to be using is my cash. So I'm going to click on that. And let's say I want to convert all of this cash to USDC. So I'm going to enter in 50 and then click review order and double checking everything. So buying $50 of USDC at $1, it'll be available to trade instantly, available to transfer instantly. And the great thing about buying USDC is there's no fees associated with this. So $50 US is going to be converting to 50 USDC. So I'm going to click on where it says buy now. The order submitted and the trade went through almost immediately. And I now have 50 USDC. And at the bottom of the page, if we click on done, it's going to bring us back to the USDC page, or we can click on view transactions to see our transactions history. So I'm going to click on done. It takes us back to the USDC page, and I can now see how much USDC I have in my balance. And heading back to my homepage, if I scroll down to take a look at my cash, it shows that I still have $50 in cash, but if I open this up, that cash is now in USDC instead of United States dollars. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, walking you through the steps on how to convert your cash that's sitting in your Coinbase account to USDC. I appreciate you guys stopping by and consider subscribing for more content in the future.